Thank you. Thanks. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Many thanks. Sincerely thanks. Thank you so much. Thanks a million for your help. I really appreciate your help. You are so kind. I don't know how to express my thanks. There are no words to show my appreciation. What you've done means a lot to me. That's so kind of you. You've made my day. I owe you a great deal. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for everything. How can I ever possibly thank you? You're welcome. It was my pleasure. My pleasure. Don't mention it. Forget it. No big deal. It was nothing. Think nothing of it. I'm glad that I can help you. What time is it? What's the time? Could you tell me the time? Do you know what time it is? How long have you been waiting? Do you have free time this afternoon? What time can we meet? What should we do to kill time? It's 10 o'clock. It's midnight. It's 6 a.m. now. See you at 8 p.m. I can't tell you exactly what time we will arrive. It's too late now. My watch is stopped. My watch is slow. Don't waste your time doing nothing. I didn't think it was so late. We have plenty of time. Give me a little more time. It's time to leave. It's almost time to go home. Time went by so fast. The supermarket opens at 9 a.m. The class starts at 8 in the morning. Can you speak English? How long have you been learning English? Could you speak up a little, please? Could you please say that again? Could you please repeat that? Would you mind spelling that for me? How do you pronounce this word? What do you mean by this? I'm sorry, what do you mean? What is this thing called in English? How many languages can you speak? I speak a little English. I can speak English very well. Your English is excellent. I wish I could speak English fluently like you. Please speak slowly. Please repeat what you said. I'm afraid to speak English. Sorry, my English is not quite good. How often do you speak English? I can read English very well, but I can't speak. I would like to improve my English speaking. You have good pronunciation. Good job. Well done. Fantastic. Perfect. That's great. Nice work. Excellent. That's really remarkable. Good grades. What a nice dress. You look great. This dish is delicious. You look very good in that suit. This tie looks nice on you. You have a nice voice. You look very handsome. I like your haircut. What a beautiful house. What a nice apartment. I really must express my admiration for your speech. How kind of you to say so. It's nice of you to say so. It's very kind of you to say that. Really, I'm not sure about that, actually. Thank you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. It was nothing really. I'm delighted to hear that. Thanks for your compliment.